फूडीज, मेरा नाम है गीता सचवानी और मेरे चैनल गीता's मैजिक में आपका स्वागत है।
Rakhi is near about to come, so let's make Rakhi special dessert. So today we will make the coconut laddu, and it's very easy and yummy, and everybody like to eat, and your brother will be happy if you will give them this laddu. So we will take, this is 100 gram desiccated coconut. I will measure with the bowl. It's 2 balls from packet. So here it's 2 balls desiccated coconut. Then we will add in the same bowl 1 bowl of milk powder. You can take half or you can take only desiccated coconut. So the laddu will be yummy, and add powdered sugar, but I will add little less because we are going to add condensed milk too. So there is a measurement because it should not be so sweet. Now we had added condensed milk up to 2 tablespoons, and now I had taken 1/4 glass of milk, and slowly we will add milk and make a tight dough, not so tight and not so loose also, it's okay, and we will make it very smooth and add 1 tablespoon of ghee. It will taste very good if we add ghee. If you don't want to add, then you don't add it, but I had added it. And now we will make 4 portions of that dough, and we will add the colors because we are going to make colorful laddus. And now I will take dry coconut, desiccated coconut in 1 plate. First we will make laddu from the white dough, and I had made 6 laddus from that white dough. White laddu are prepared. Now we will make from the other colorful dough. It's a green color, and from green color also we got 6 laddus. And see the size, guys. You can make little more bigger than this one, but I am going to make like always small size of laddu, so that if we can take the one, then we can finish it one at a time. So after that, the second color pink, then we will make from the yellow color, and like this we will make. Guys, you like this laddu or else which dessert you like the most? Please comment me, and then I will share that recipe. And after that, the Raksha Bandhan special recipes will definitely I will upload. See guys, they are yummy looking. You can also make very easily at home. I have this dabba box, and I set in this box. See, it's looking very yummy, and it's almost made half kg from only 100 gram desiccated coconut, because we had added so many more things. Guys, if you are new in my channel, please like, share and subscribe, and please do try this recipe at your home for the Raksha Bandhan, and definitely your brother will enjoy by having this laddu. It's very quick in making and very yummy in the taste. And guys, we will meet with another recipe. Goodbye.